Hi, in this video, we see how we can take entries based on RAM's 1 year investment. So this is for medium term investment. So as per my experience, most of the entries which confirmed the entry in a RAM's 1 year, more than 90% they have reached the targets, and they sometimes they moved above that target range. Like Sujlan, as per our calculations, it shown that 7 rupees was the entry and 14.60 was the exit for 1 year. But whereas within 8 months, Sujlan went from 6.95 to 50 rupees top. Within 8 months, I think it has happened. So whenever we find a stock that is filtered in RAM's 1 year investment in precise summary, then first of all, we have to look for the date. Today date is July 24th, 2024. Yesterday, this stock is filtered, that is Circa. Yesterday, this stock came to the buy zone price of RAM's 1 year investment. The buy zone price is 352.80. So let's go and check the chart. See, the current price is 359.95. Whereas the target for this stock, Circa, within 1 year is 447.65. Let's see the value. The value, it is showing strong. So that means 100% we can take entry based on that. So once the timing is confirmed and the pricing is confirmed, then we have to look for the pattern. So here we check the pattern. See, from 444, from the date 12th January 2024, this stock Circa has been falling, and it made a bottom of 282 on 28th March, and from there onwards it has been moving upwards. Here at 340 level we can see the tunnel. So according to the RAM's 1 year investment, this has filtered at 352 352.80. So first mark this 352. So this is the entry price. See, this is the entry. 352.80 is the entry. So we can place a GTT order whenever we see the yellow buy in our setup. Before the price come to 352 level, around at the price 349.85 closing, it has given yellow buy, which is an indication of the price is coming to our buy zone. So with the 100% confidence, we can take the entry because the price has been falling from last 6 months. One thing. Second thing is it made a bottom of 282 on 28th March, and the next bottom, the consecutive bottom is greater than the previous bottom. It is 298. 282 is the first bottom. The second bottom is 298. That means it is an uptrend. The price is moving towards uptrend. And the pitchfork here is showing the uptrend only. So once the high of this low pivot, yesterday it is entry, and the high of the slow pivot is about to taken out today. So which is a strong confirmation. Along with this, if we see in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and a 1 hour time frame, we can see it's a total uptrend. The RSI is more than 55%, which is an indication of uptrend. The price is very near to the price, just closed above the tunnel and this orange line, and the black cell line has stopped, and the price closed above the tunnel and above the cloud. So this confirms this is the perfect area where we can buy this stock. And before this price confirmation, from past 7 to 10 days, from past 10 days, we can see green hats on these candles. Even they are falling, we can see the green hats. That means aggressive buying has happened at this price range. So our stop loss will be this one below the tunnel, just below the tunnel, 332, whereas our entry is 352. So even before the entry is confirmed by the time, astrological time. So whenever we see the yellow price, and if a triad is formed there, that is this one, and whenever the high of this pivot low is taken out, immediately we can take the entry. And make sure this is for 1 year time period. So the price will move like this. Once it enters this pitchfork zone, then the price will move like this. Within this range only, the price will move. In 1 week time frame also, we can see an uptrend. We can see an uptrend. Weekly, the bottom is 298. So even in weekly time frame on 10th June, we can take the entry at the closing of 328.65 for the minimum target of 447, which will happen within the time frame of 1 year. And for sure, it will go above this price because this this trend line of this pitchfork is confirming the price within the 1 year may reach more than 600 something. So this way we have to take the entry, and if we want to confirm further, then we have to check the other indications, like even in daily time frame it is 59%. In weekly, okay, in weekly time frame we can check the RSI, so we can take the entry very confidently. Here we have to compare the value. So on an average, the daily value seems it is 2 million. Yeah, it is 2 million on an average. See, weekly also it is showing 57.5. So weekly also the trend is upwards only. So we can take the entry once the value is confirmed. Even in our indicator, it is showing we have a strong value. So on an average here, the value is 0.21 millions, whereas today on this candle, now it is 12% only. But even though it is showing 12%, all these indications are showing it is in uptrend, and a lot of volume has been purchasing from past few days, so that we can take the entry confidently. So this is the way of taking entry in a RAM's 1 year investment screener. And another thing is how we can take the entry whenever the bottom is finished. In the same video, I'm mentioning this. For example, for R power, from past 1 week, I have been saying that this is the entry. So whenever I see this high of this low pivot is taken by this candle, then I predicted this is the entry zone. So from that onwards, the price has been falling, even though I have a strong conviction that the price will move upwards from here only. So then within next 3 days, the price has fallen and touched the tunnel, and it created a pivot here. And today, the high of this low pivot is taken out. So this is the entry, and we can see a lot of buying is happening in 5 minutes, in 15 minutes, and in even 1 hour, a lot of buying is happening. And in 1 week, it's showing that 54. So the RSI is 54. So when it comes to 55, it is a confirmation of uptrend. So R power also, it is at entry zone. This is called bottom fishing. So we have, if we have taken entry on this price, that is 27.70, because the high of this candle is 27.69. So if we have taken entry at 27.70, then we can consider it as bottom fishing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.